Hey friends, welcome back to another live session here. My name is Indranil and I welcome you all today in this live stream. So today we are going to create a clone of Netflix on public demand, and as you can see on the screen, this is the final product that we will be creating. So this looks like the actual Netflix. If you open the Netflix on your browser and see the home page, it will look more or less like this. So here we have few sections. So this is the header section. Okay, although these links, they don't do anything, so they are just dummy links as of now. Okay, but you can definitely make them do or take you to a different route. Okay, so this is the banner section that tells you about the latest releases. Okay, next we have different sections here, like you see on Netflix, like trending with some thumbnails. Then we have originals, now playing, top rated, popular. Okay, I've kept it to 5 or 6 sections here, but you can definitely go ahead and create more. And we will see how we can use reuse components to create these different sections. All right, and one thing you might have noticed already, that the header is a dynamic header, so it sticks to the top. When you scroll down like this, you see it's fixed on the top here, and as you scroll up and you reach to the top most uh, position, it fades in with the image. I can show you in a slower what do you call motion. So if I scroll and drag the scroll bar down, you see after a certain point it becomes a fixed header here, and as I scroll up, it fades in. So this is the actual behavior of Netflix. You can go ahead and try in your own browsers. Right, so in order to start the project, I have created uh, a blank empty project in my IDE, that's WebStorm, and I created few folders to store my components and services. So in this particular video, we will not be doing any authentication stuff, but you can definitely go ahead and implement authentication logic using any backend service like Firebase, or maybe you can deploy your own backend uh, API using Node.js and implement the authentication logic there. It's up to you, but I've kept that aside in this particular part. So first things first, we need to install few dependencies. So let's go ahead, and the very first thing you need to do is register to this API that we will be using, the movie database API, that is tmdb.org. You need to go here, register yourself. It's a free registration, and then once you're registered and logged in, you need to go to the API settings and click on the API section here. From here you can get your API key. Okay, that will be used to authenticate you against the API. So once that is done, uh, I will be using Angular material. So let me go ahead and install it. So copy the code from here, and I'm using Angular CLI version 10 because my PC got crashed and I had to format it and build it again from scratch. So I installed the latest version, that is the version number 10. So if you want, you can use Angular CLI 10, or any previous versions will also work without any issues. Okay, let's see. uh, let's add this here. Yes, I'm going to finish everything today. This shouldn't take much time because we will only be working on the front end, as the backend is already built, and we'll be using that tmdb.org API. Okay, so everything should be done in this single live stream session. All right, so while it is installing, okay, let's check the other dependencies here. I will be using a carousel, that is the slick carousel here, and this is the Angular implementation of the slick carousel, which is this one. This is the actual JavaScript framework, okay, or library rather. So if you go down, it has different modes and different settings that you can implement in your project. So the settings, we will be using few of them, like slides to show, slides to scroll, all these things. Okay, and we will be using this implementation. And this document says you need to install these these two packages before you can install the third one. So let's go ahead and copy them one by one. So this is done. My Angular setup is done. Angular material setup is done. So I'm installing Jquery now, and I see we have few participants here. So guys, thanks a lot for joining uh, the live stream with me, and please do not forget to hit the like button. Okay, it really helps. So the next thing is the slick carousel, and guys, while coding, I might not be able to see the chat window that often, so please do not mind if I do not see the chat messages and reply to you guys immediately. But I'll do that quite frequently, so please bear with me. So this installing the slick carousel package, the actual one, and then we need to install the Angular implementation here. So copy it, go to the CLI, give it some time. I'm not sure if that's stuck or something. Well, it happens sometimes with this package. I don't know why. Come on. So while it's doing this, let me quickly go ahead and import the material modules. So one is mat icon module that I will be using, and the other one is map badge module. These two. Okay. So I think it's stuck here. Let me cancel this. So it happened last time as well. I don't know why. I had to delete the entire node modules folder and uh, start it again from scratch. So let's see. I need to terminate. Hang on. I need to go to my documents. Where is it? Okay. Let me close this for a moment and try to delete it. As you can see, it's not even letting me do that. Okay, let's wait. Let's start it again. So once this is deleted, then I'll reopen the project and use npm install to install all the dependencies, and hopefully it should work after that. We'll see. So these kind of things happen when you code, and this is very specific to this package that I'm installing. So if you experience this kind of issue, make sure you remove the node modules folder and run npm install again. So give it some time and hopefully should be good. Come on, finish it. Come on, come on. So it's stuck there at 97%, which is pretty strange. So if this doesn't work, then I might need to reboot my machine and restart the live stream. So I think it's stuck. All right, guys, sorry for the inconvenience. So let me quickly go ahead and reboot my machine, and I'll remove this folder and install everything from scratch in front of you. So please uh, bear with me. I'll be back in next couple of minutes. All right, thanks.